Hello, everyone. Hola. Bienvenidos. Welcome. I'm going to give you a brief intro to the study, to myself, and tell you a little bit about what you're going to be doing today. So most of you already know this because I visited your classes on Friday and Monday, but just in case you missed it, hola, my name is Rachel Mamia Hernandez, and I am a PhD student in the Department of Learning, Design, and Technology. And I'm also an instructor of Spanish and Portuguese in the LLEA department. So this study is going to help me with my dissertation, which is a big part of my PhD. So for today's tasks, if you have not already done so, and many of you have already done this when I visited your class, is to please read and sign the consent forms. If you don't have one, just let me know and I can give you one, and you can take a minute and read through it and sign if you would like to participate. If not, that's cool. You can totally participate even if you don't want me to count your data. You can just go through the steps and do the module anyway. So what I'll need you to do next is to log into your browser in incognito or private browsing mode. So to do that, I'll show you. If you're in Chrome, you're going to go up to File and then click on New Incognito Window, and that will take you to the incognito browser. The reason you have to use the incognito browser is since I have many sections doing these tasks in this lab today, it's going to avoid, hopefully, any confusion by the computer itself of users. So it's just because we have a lot of people using these computers today, basically. If you are in Firefox, or you prefer to use Firefox instead of Chrome, that's fine too. You can just go to the File and New Private Window, and from there, I'll just maximize it so you can see you have your private browsing. You can see the little mask tells you you're in private browsing mode, and that's what I want you to do, either incognito or private browsing mode. So once you've done that, let me get out of here and get back. I'm going to have you log into your UH email. And once you've logged into your UH email, I'd like you to accept the invitation to Canvas, which is where our lesson and modules are housed. And once you've done that, log in to Canvas. And you'll see what it looks like in a minute, but you'll complete the quizzes, lesson module, and questionnaire in order. So once you log into Canvas, it should look something like this. First, you'll see the pretest at the top, followed by the Lección 1, then the post-test and the post-survey, and you'll go exactly in that order, please. So start with the pretest, then Lección 1, then post-test and post-survey. So a few more things to keep in mind as you go through stuff. Please take your time and carefully complete the tasks, and do feel free to ask me any questions you have. If I can tell you, I will. A few things not to do. Please do not visit outside websites during the tasks. Don't use Google Translate. Don't use outside dictionaries or any external help. Please don't talk about your module or tasks with others, as it could harm the integrity of the study. Also, another thing to please do not look up info outside of class or ask your teacher if you see something in the module that you have questions about. Maybe write down that question, hold on to it for the next few weeks, and when I'm done with the data collection, then we can talk more in depth about it, or you can ask your teacher about it if you have further questions. So yes, please do or do not do these things so we can keep the integrity of the study. And that's it. So go ahead and you can begin to work on the tasks, quizzes, and modules. And thank you very much. Gracias, mahalo. And you can let me know if you have any questions. My email is rmamiya@hawaii.edu. Adios.